Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to give you some downloads around patience. So in the last video I mentioned how, a lot of spiritual teachings tell us that patience is a virtue. And yes, it is a virtue, but at what point does it stop being the real issue? Because a lot of people in our lives, we have, situations that we're working towards or goals or intentions that we have, and we think, okay, well, it's not happening for me because I need to have more patience. At what point does that stop being about patience? Because here's the thing, a lot of people will actually use that as an excuse to keep themselves stuck. A lot of people have an attachment to whatever it is that they desire, and that's why they think they need to be more patient. Sometimes people just actually need to stand up for themselves. And so it's really important to recognize that for yourself as to what the truth is on why you're being made to wait, or why this situation is taking a long time for you. What is the real truth? Is it about you standing up? Is it about you letting go of your attachment to needing whatever the outcome is of that situation? So let's give you some downloads. So first thing we want to do is give you discernment on what patience is. So knowing when to have patience and when not to, knowing how to be relaxed, knowing how to be calm, knowing that you can actually deal with situations in a calm, relaxed, and loving manner, and knowing that you can deal with people without confrontation, that you can deal with people in a loving and easy way, that you can actually have clear, open communication with people, that you can allow yourself to receive the true messages of what you're meant to be hearing in a relationship, or allow yourself to know the truth of what's actually happening in those situations. The other thing that we want to do there too is teach you how to live without using patience as an excuse to be stuck. Teach you how to live without using patience as a reason to not move forward. And teach you what it feels like to be safe to move forward, to know you can move forward in a peaceful, loving, and easy way. And knowing that you can allow yourself to move forward in life and achieve your goals and dreams in a loving and easy way. And knowing how to trust that the Creator is always taking care of you. Creator is always keeping you safe and protected. And let's just download the lessons of patience, that you know what patience is, that you have the virtue of patience, and that you trust that you have it now, and that you can let go of needing to learn patience, that you know who you are without needing to learn patience. So if you'd like to receive those downloads, then just say yes, and you'll receive them. Okay, great. So if you like this video, like it, share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it with anybody that you know who can benefit from it, because these healing downloads are actually really powerful. And even if somebody doesn't know Theta Healing or is not really open to spirituality, just by listening to it, it may actually shift their lives. It may actually make some really powerful changes for that person. So like our channel, subscribe to, or like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with people that you love and care about. So I look forward to seeing you all very soon, and thank you for your time.